Well, oh mercy me. I cannot believe that we have experienced a pandemic.
And even though we keep hearing words like unprecedented or uncertain, I want to say, how about together?
Even though we're navigating these waters, we're doing it together. It's refreshing to see everyone come together, even though we can't physically be there.
There have been so many kind words spoken and so much compassion shown to others.
I've also seen our suppliers and how they're trying to support not just the agents and the travelers, but also to support the global community.
The one thing that I've really seen in terms of the travel industry is one simple word, and that's partnership.
I share highs and lows with my colleagues from other cruise lines and tour operators, because even though we are competitors, we are in this together.
Travel industry is pretty resilient, but I've always think we've been a tight group of people. We've become even that much closer because now, even though it could be a competitor or whatever, a different supplier, a travel agent, we want to know more how everyone is doing.
It's a scary time right now, and we're just trying to do the best that we can for ourselves, for our businesses, and for our clients. And KHM has been such a leader in all of this. I am just eternally grateful to have you as a partner.
I think about so many of KHM staff, and I'm reminded of Cinderella. And you remember the mice? That's what I think of when I think of the rest of the team, kind of working tirelessly behind the scenes to kind of make us all look like Cinderellas when we come out of this.
And I know we're going to come out of this stronger. And we're going to come out of it stronger because we've worked together to do so.
I'm working closely with my travel agent partners to make sure that their businesses stay strong and they move forward.
The most important thing to know going forward, watching what's happened over the last month, is to please use a travel agent. It is so important to have somebody in your corner.
Travel agents are so important for so many reasons, and there's never been a better time to thank a travel agent for all they do than now.
Because let's face it, we're all going to want and need a vacation when this is done.
And ultimately, we're one big happy family, and we're all in this together. And once we get out of this, we're gonna be stronger than ever.
As a team, together, with diverse ideas, skills, and backgrounds, we will get through this.
So no matter how long it takes to get there, we'll keep dreaming and keep planning, and someday we'll be back.
And don't forget, travel agents rock.